Howdy crew, here's the welding rig setup. Very excited to show you all how it is all laid out and put together. It's very exciting. Let's get to it. Absolutely love the layout. Toolboxes, tank holders, welding machine, ladder rack, lights. Everything's great. I love it. It is wonderful. I did unfortunately lose some space though. That is unfortunate, but I will be trying to gain that in a different spot, and I'm just going to keep pressing forward. There are also extra delays for the welding rig now that have surfaced today that I did not expect. So I will be going into all this in future vlogs. For the lights, light bars, ladder rack, I'll be reviewing everything, but also in a future vlog, I'll be going in depth of all the delays, what's going on, what's happening, how I'm going to solve it. I'm going to keep pressing forward and get all this done. All right, so 15 foot, this is going to go for all the U.S. military surplus water containers, also the NATO fuel cans that are going to be in the truck. And then 6 foot is for the extendable aluminum ladder. This is going to be for the fiberglass A-frame and fiberglass extendable ladder, along with the portable welding table, fabrication table. Bungee cords secure the all the ladders on the ladder rack, along with this one going to the portable welding table, and 8 locks. And they're not the world's strongest, but they will work on these. But if anyone's determined, they're going to be able to cut locks. So you can buy the strongest lock in the world and people can pick it or get through it somehow. So I'm going with these to start off with. They're still very expensive, but everything is here lately. Alrighty, I have 2 ladders here. One of them is over about 12 foot long. I think it's about 12 foot long, which is this one, extendable fiberglass, and then this one is an 8 foot A-frame. So I'm going to take it over all this. Nice and easy like. And it just goes there, don't even go to the front rum there, which is fine. It's not going anywhere. And it's above that by a good finger, so and it's not going down. That's great. And I have a bungee cord up here. So a nice heavy duty bungee cord. That's great. It's not going nowhere. I have this cable, so it's locked, but it's not going anywhere with these. And then over here, the leather lace tied in a square knot. Square knots are very useful, so that's great. It's very handy. Okay, so these are not going anywhere. If I flip over, it will stay here. It's not going nowhere. It may shift a little bit if I flip over, but at that point, the ladder is not my concern. But yeah, I'll just add one more, tie it down here, and I'll be heading out to MPB.